How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, just getting through my to-do list. How about you?
Did you do anything fun yesterday?
Yeah, I went for a walk in the park. It was nice to get some fresh air. How about you?
How's everything been lately?
Not too bad, just the usual routine. How about you?
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
I had a smoothie and some toast. What about you?
Got any plans for tonight?
I might just relax and watch some TV. You?
How's your commute to work these days?
It's been alright, traffic isn't too bad. How about yours?
Have you read any good books lately?
Yes, I just finished a great mystery novel. How about you?
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I like to catch up on sleep and maybe do some baking. You?
Do you listen to music while you work?
Yes, it helps me focus. How about you?
How do you usually unwind after a long day?
I like to take a hot bath and read a book. What about you?